Hey guys, welcome back to my third video of the day. You may be able to hear in the background my radio going off with the Skywarn standby mode. Anyways, so I know I said earlier that there was no more threat of thunderstorms. There is a little bit. This right here isn't a thunderstorm, it's just some rain. But down here is what we're concerned about. As you can see, this red box is a tornado warning. It is currently 70 miles away and would take 3 hours to get here at the speed it's moving right now. So it probably won't hit us, but there is still a chance that it could actually grow bigger, which would therefore make us be in a tornado warning. But that's what we're kind of concerned about right now, because as you can see, if it keeps going in that line, it'll go like that. And it is currently dropping half-inch hail. If we click on that info button, to click on the tornado warning info box. There we go. So it says a landspout tornado was located near Edgar, Nebraska, 30 miles southeast of Hastings, moving northwest at 5 miles an hour. Emergency management confirmed the tornado, so that means it was probably spotter reported. It says there is a tornado on the ground, take cover now. That obviously, like I said, 70 miles away. It doesn't apply to us yet. And as you can see over here, there's this huge thing. That's what hit us earlier. But it is moving away at a good pace. And then there's also some stuff down here. This looks like it also this has a severe thunderstorm warning and a tornado warning. And that is also coming up towards us, although it's really far away and probably won't hit us. And then there's also all these severe thunderstorm warnings down in Texas and Oklahoma, but those will not hit us. So like I said earlier, our main concern is this line of stuff right there, because like I said earlier, it's coming straight for us. And I know it shows it kind of going up this way, but storms are unpredictable, so technically it could go like this. It's very unlikely, but it technically could. And it'll probably curve a little bit, just because that's what the rest of the storms have been doing, and kind of go like that, or maybe even like that, stuff like that. But since the tornado warning expires in 23 minutes, it should be done by the time it gets here, but at that point it might strengthen and get worse, so that's something to pay attention to. So now we are going to head over to, let's see here, move my webcam, move over to the National Weather Service Storm Prediction Center. And no, I do not have coronavirus, it's just allergies. Click on that. Today's outlook. So earlier we were in the marginal, but we are now actually in the slight risk, that yellow area. Tornado. We are actually now in the 2% chance for that. It was not like that earlier. Same with wind. Well, 15% chance of damaging wind and hail. See down here. Doesn't say anything down there. Anyways, another site, just normal National Weather Service, forecast.weather.gov. Hazardous weather outlook, and again, this is at 6:53 p.m. Hazardous weather outlook. So earlier today it says spotter activation could be needed today or tonight. Now it says spotters are encouraged to report severe weather to the National Weather Service. Sorry, notification there. And then the flash flood watch, that's really it. But yeah, so like I said, main concern is the tornado warning down here and the storms. Looks like this cell up here could be strengthening, but I'm not exactly an expert. If we come over here to velocity, rotation, it does look like it is rotating a little bit right there. And right there. So that's probably right where the tornado is, like right there around Edgar, Nebraska. But yeah, so that is the weather debriefing of the day, I guess. But thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, stay safe, stay tuned to this channel, so like and subscribe, hit the notification bell icon. If there's any severe weather or any more forecasts that could happen, I will tell you guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, hopefully.